So in this video we'll take a look at downloading suppliers back into the Supplier integrator. What we'll do is copy the values of the supplier numbers in the first instance, and then we'll use the download via sheet option to download those suppliers back into the sheet. And as we can see there, we've downloaded the 10 suppliers back into the sheet with all the appropriate data. Now we have a second option of which to download data back into the integrator, and that is using the data form. So you can see we have a number of fields within the form. Some are searchable, some are list of values, date pickers, etc. So we'll select the criteria and bring the appropriate data back down into the sheet based on that criteria. I'm going to search for a supplier name starting with Barker's, and we have four options there, so we select one and download back into the sheet. So that's the download process, either download via the sheet or using the data forms.